Now this is the continuation of the last video. Now we are discussing the formula and how to apply the formula in shares and dividend. How many formulae are there? There are only 4 formulas. First formula, number of share equals to investment upon nominal value upon or investment upon market value. There are 2 formulae of number of share, this or this. Which formula we have to apply? In all the cases, in 99% cases, we have to apply this formula. So what is 1% case? Whenever in any question it is asked find the market value or it is given this is the market value, that means it is sure that you have to apply this formula. Now when we have to apply this formula, when neither the market value is asked nor the market value is given to you, then in that case we have to apply this formula. So it is sure that this will be given market value because 3 marks 4 marks question will come, so definitely market value will be given to you, so we have to apply this formula, investment upon market value. Now next is dividend or annual income. Both the terms are same, dividend or annual income. It is rate of dividend upon 100 into nominal value into number of shares. Sale proceed we have already discussed. Suppose we are selling the share today or tomorrow. So whatever is the rate of that particular time and date, that will be the market value. We will get that value multiplied by number of shares. In the last last video, we have discussed Mr. Sharma invested the 30 shares, and on that particular after 2 months, the market value was 150. So how much will he get? 150 is the market value, number of shares is 30. So he will get 4500 as sale proceed. Now what is the profit percentage overall? Means he will be getting the profit 2 ways. He is getting the profit 2 ways. First of all, when the market value increases, suppose in the case of Mr. Sharma, the market value increases from 100 and becomes 150. So here he will be getting the profit, as well as he is getting the profit in the form of dividend. So 2 ways he is getting the profit. Company gives the profit, and whatever is the value on that particular date and time, he will get the profit from here also. So what is the overall profit? What is the overall profit percentage? That is rate of return. This is also called rate of return. This is also called yield percent. Whatever term is asked, the formula is same. It is total dividend upon investment into 100. Total dividend, this is the formula. Investment, how to calculate the investment? Investment is number of share into market value. This is the formula of number of share. Now, suppose we have to take out the investment. The investment becomes market value into number of shares. Sorry. Number of share is equals to investment upon market value. So, investment is equals to market value into number of shares. So, this way we calculate the investment. Clear? So, total dividend upon investment into 100. I'm taking one question. Again, Mr. Sharma has come. Mr. Sharma invest 300. Now, in this chapter, we have to identify how to identify the terms. We have to identify how to identify these terms, because this is a different language in which we have to find. We have to search for specific words like Mr. Sharma invest 300, rupees 100. So whenever rupees 100 is written, that will be nominal value. And we have to connect 300 to shares. Mr. Sharma invests 300 shares. That means this is the number of shares. this shares and dividend questions are slightly has different means language, so we have to identify. After 3-4 questions you will be able to identify it easily. How to identify this is what is number of share, what is nominal value, what is dividend percent, and all that. So when rupees is not written here, only 300 is written here, comma is there, shares after this shares is written, so this will be number of shares. Rupees 100 will be nominal value. At of rupees, this term, whenever this type of term is there, at rupees, this share is available at rupees, this share is of rupees, this will be the market value. 8% is what? The dividend percent. Find the annual income. Annual income is equals to the formula we have discussed, rate of dividend upon 100 into nominal value into number of shares. The rate of dividend is given to you 8% upon 100 into nominal value is 100 into number of shares is 300.